It's apparent that these cyber bullies and stalkers won't stop. And I have every God-given right, not only as an American, but as human rights. And I didn't do any of those things they claimed. They lie, they cheat, and they've stolen everything that I owned. They had no rights, but they think they do because they're somehow my parent, but they were never a parent. That woman was never a mother to me. My grandmother was. And I miss her terribly. Because this shit would not have ever been allowed. I haven't had any sleep. Because I'm on the streets. Because no one's upholding my rights. I have every God-given right to live my life without the tyranny of these liars, thieves, and murderers. You lowlifes. And I want you out of my life. I want everything back. And then some. That extra for all these years. When you should have placed me in witness protection when they killed Patty and Tabitha. All my friends are dead because of these people. I have no forgiveness for demons. You want to go and serve Satan, go right ahead. Just get out of my life and just give me my shit so I can live. And I'm not asking, I'm fucking telling you. And if you don't like Tourette's, then bird's the word, you sons of bitches.